cocinando, sí. Wow. Yo quiero, ¿perdón? Sí, yo quiero uno de cada uno, por favor. ¿Este cuál es? How good it smells once you step under this tent. This is just perfect. Alright. ¿Ahora para allá o aquí? Alright. Dos totales, por favor. La tarjeta. ¿Cuánto está el taco? 25. ¿Y esto en la noche cómo se pone? ¿Cómo se pone esto en la noche? Muy bien. Porque todo cuando me dijo que la gente está, algunos se van porque la poli que llega hasta allá. Mucha multa. All the vitamins are here, guys. So I'm here to learn it, guys. It's like 6 something. I've been told at 9 this place gets wild. So let me add some life to my taco. And then I'm here. Check it out, guys. Here's the drink. Amigo, ¿aguas de qué tienes?
Chata, limón, jamaica, limón con chile y piña.
Dame una de piña, por favor.
¿Una de piña?
Sí.
Taco time, cabrones. First things first. So many tacos here. I don't know which one to choose, so I'm just gonna grab the one that's easiest to grab. And this bad boy right here. That's definitely the cheese taco. Also, that taco had the red sauce. It packs a punch, but not too much of a punch. Like on a scale of 1 to 10, I'll give it a 3. The next taco, how many did I get? Geez, I just said one of everything. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's a hot pepper, guys. That is a hot pepper. Alright, man, chile. That chili does not play. I still got another one here. It's getting better and better. Batter up, batter up. This is taco heaven because they have so many different varieties of tacos. They're good. The tortillas are good. something of that sort is not my thing. But I won't wait to talk about it. Mucha bunda. That's a hot pepper, guys. I'll tell you again, that pepper is hot. Very hot. Back to our regularly filled program, guys. I have to recover from that. That was one spicy chili. But I noticed I didn't put any onions or cilantro on my tacos. They were half naked. That's the best one. This is so sad, guys. So sad. We're down to the last taco. It's a chorizo one. They're gonna move the tables. I need to get out of the way. Before they go around. I need to bring another one. So they got one serving thing over there, guys, and they're setting another one up over here.
Alright guys, it's 5:05 p.m. January 19th, 2025, and it's Saturday. No. Sunday. Sunday, 5:06 p.m. January 19th, 2025. As you can see, internet connection is being attacked, and there you go. Internet connection is being attacked. This is organized crime, family. This is the desperation this criminal organization is feeling right after we gave the information to the Internal Revenue Services, the IRS. January 8th, 2025. We turned in the information regarding 5132. 5132, right here, 5132. We turned in the information regarding tax evasion. Double out to flat break. 5132. Double out to flat break. This criminal organization is responding, and they continue attacking my YouTube channel. As you can see, the YouTube channel continues to be attacked on a daily basis. This is the desperation this criminal organization is feeling after turning in paperwork regarding tax evasion. There you go. The YouTube channel continues to be attacked on a daily basis. Let me show you again. Let's see. Network. Okay, the network's on, but you can see there is interference. Okay, it's on. It's on. And now let's see if it's going through. You can see there is tampering. Let's try again. There is tampering. So, that's what's going on, and let's check. See, there is tampering. So the attacks continue. And this is it. It's there you go, right there. So the attacks continue. And the attacks continue from next door, 5135, second floor hideout. As you can see, bright light harassment is being used in the kitchen while cooking. In the kitchen while cooking. So, and washing dishes, while washing dishes. So the attacks continue. Coming from next door, 5135, second floor hideout. This is insurance policy setup. And intentions are very, very clear. This is daily plan attacks. And this is the desperation this criminal organization is going through. The murder plot continues. Extreme high-level frequency electromagnetic field waves shock treatment to the brain continues. Coming from next door, 5135, second floor hideout. That's right. Equal exposure from X-ray machine or microwave oven radiation. Health issues, bone cancer, tumor, cancer of the brain, bleeding of the brain. Blood clot will form, and once it dries, it travels up the brain stem and cuts out the oxygen. Silent incoherent victims, nursing home final fate, identity theft Medicaid takes place. Organized crime family process. Unsolved murder cases of identity theft Medicaid. Insurance policy fraud. Setup. That's right. Police officers involved in criminal activity assigned to my address. Once the victim reacts to daily plan attacks. And as you just saw witness, I just reacted by covering up the windows in order to function in the kitchen. That's right. And organized crime family has given instructions to hide from camera view again behind the tree. See? Behind the tree. And we also have the Candyman hiding as well. Far away over there, the red Pontiac. The red Pontiac is all the way over there. So they're responding and they're hiding. Let's see. Right there. That's his red Pontiac, the Candyman. And look at how far he has to walk. See? See the distance? Yeah. And right here is the mule's vehicle hiding behind the tree. So the attacks continue and the murder plot continues, and of course this goes up the chain of command. Tell Mayor Larry Dominic is clearly involved in insurance policy fraud and daily drug dealing, traffic transactions, distribution, and packing, white powder bags, 5132 and 5130. Again, please do your part. Contact the IRS Internal Revenue Services regarding 5132. This is organized crime family, bread and butter, main location. They're not going to let go of this property that easily. They panicked, and looks like a real estate will be placing this 2-flat brick at 5132 on the market again to avoid any investigation, any suspicion of illegal activity. But the information has been turned over January 8th, 2025 regarding tax evasion. That's right. So please do your part. I cannot do this on my own. This is a public service, and as you can tell, this criminal organization is panicking. They're panicking, and they continue utilizing after-school children manipulation. They continue having white powder bag parties with children involved. They continue utilizing children to move their product. That's right. And they're also utilizing migrants at 5130 to do the same. And this is big business. This is big business. This is the reason for the daily plan attacks. And we have the dollar store owner with his bright light being directed at my windows. That's right. And there's a lot of trafficking in the back of the parking lot by the dumpster as well, behind the dollar store. So that's the main update right now. YouTube channel under attack. I'm under attack, and the murder plot continues. And we're going to stay tuned. We're going to continue focusing on this criminal organization, and they will be held accountable with your support. So please do your part and contact the IRS, Internal Revenue Services, 5132, and you will see magic happen. That's right, folks. You will see magic happen. So let's do this, and let's not let my murder plot, my death, be in vain. That's right. This is a murder plot. I already suffered one brain aneurysm because of this daily electronic harassment frequencies, electromagnetic field waves, shock treatment to the brain. I am a victim. I have a CT scan of bleeding from the brain by University of Illinois. And that's what caused this Melo Greco, main proprietor of this property, along with his nephew, Anthony J. Loader, and the other family members. They panicked and they quickly moved out. But before they moved out, they have a signed contract with next door neighbor, 5135, second floor hideout, homeowner Martinez, wife, daughter, son, daughter-in-law. And we had them on video. The daughter, our latest video, was parked right in front of between 5130 and 5132. Then the mother participated in the same strategy. The mother, we uploaded the video today as well. So these are daily plan attacks on a daily basis. And the reason, of course, is they know the consequences of my death. And they're trying to manipulate my ex-wife and family members to react and call 911. Again, these police officers involved in criminal activity are waiting, standing by, set up traps, false police reports, arrests, court dates. That's right. Order of protection and pre-enrollment mental health hospital begins. Constant mental health hospital evaluation. Victims lose their credibility. Family withdrawal, disbelief, anger, emotional distress, mistrust. It's a very important process. So the family is manipulated and becomes second nature for the family to call 911. The mob plan hits Friday night and early Monday morning with 2 second character witnesses on the premises of Board of Education District 99, female and male, participating on the plan hits with second character witnesses, the security guard on the premises, of course, and Thomas Cicero Public Works, white utility vehicle. And we have not been able to get any footage from both employees, the mob. They panicked and took a leave of absence for quite some time now. But we did manage to get the bagman. So there's panicking all over the place. And just watch how much more panic they're going to feel once the IRS starts knocking on doors. Please make that phone call. Report 5132. 5132 West 24th Street in Laramie, Cicero, Illinois 60804. Again, do not let my death be in vain. My family has no idea. I know what social acting is. But this is their intent, to make sure, obviously to make me react. provoke, movement, reaction, response, yelling, running out of control, kicking, screaming, public outbursts. There's been a number of scenarios involving police officers waiting for me right outside the grocery shopping, thinking that I was going to react within the store. I mean, when you are facing high-level frequencies like I am now, and electromagnetic field waves shock treatment to the brain, you will react. But what this criminal organization does not understand is that it does become the victim will become immune. That's right. It will become second nature as well. It won't affect me as a person that's a newbie. Well, this is to my advantage, of course, and that's why I'm still here. It's a public service. Please do your part and contact the DEA, Drug Enforcement Administration, Chicago and Dearborn, Illinois, Child Protective Services, the news media, Department of Sexual Harassment, Homeland Security. This is a national security threat. It's not just here, folks. And again, this goes up the chain of command. Town Mayor Larry Dominic is clearly involved in insurance policy fraud and daily drug dealing, traffic transactions, distribution and packing, white powder bags, the basement, the Candyman, 5130, and 5132, of course. This is a big organization, and they must be held accountable. I appreciate your support, and we're looking forward to the magic. 5:20 p.m., January 19th, 2025. Sunday. We are focused. That's right, folks. I appreciate your support. We are waiting for further developments. It's a waiting game. We are waiting. And the YouTube attack continues, of course. It's a waiting game. Yep, YouTube attack continues. YouTube attack continues. My phone no longer functions. My phone no longer functions. So there you go. We're going to continue our surveillance. Please contact Congressman Chuy Garcia, State Representative Lisa Hernandez. These state officials, as well as government agencies, must be held accountable as well. That's right. These are our tax dollars, folks. I don't know about you, but I want a refund. That's right. I've been doing this for quite some time, and so far we had no luck. All right? And that's why this criminal organization feels like they can pretty much do what they want. So it's up to the public. It's up to the public to make that phone call. Put pressure. You need to put pressure on these government agencies and state representatives. This is how easy they become once they get their paycheck. They no longer care about regular people. That's right, folks. We have to make our vote count. We have to make our tax dollars count. That's right. There's children involved. I shouldn't be going through this and trying to talk people and trying to seek help. They should be doing their job. This is their job. I'm providing a neighborhood watch, and what our police officers, we got some good police officers out here, of course, but the ones that are involved in criminal activity are assigned to my address. That's right. Once I react by covering up the windows or turning off the furnace, heater, fan, blower, can you imagine with the cold air freezing pipes? This is called the game of manipulation. That's right, folks. All right, we are moving on. I appreciate your support. Again, do not let my death be in vain. I am being attacked while sleeping, while eating, while watching TV on a daily basis. Sooner or later, I will succumb to an illness And this is an aneurysm, bleeding of the brain. The bleeding of the brain, once it heals over, it will produce a blood clot. This is dry blood that travels up the stem of the brain, cutting off the oxygen. Silent incoherent victims, nursing home final faith, identity theft Medicaid takes place. The younger the victim, the bigger the payoff. Manipulate businesses. Remain in control. Silent victims. Organized crime family process. And if you want to make this work, again, all you have to do is contact the highest level of government, and that's the IRS. 5132. 5132, West 24th Street, Laramie, Cicero, Illinois, 60804. Let's make our tax dollars work the way they're supposed to, folks. Organized crime family is responding. Community gang stalking. You just witnessed that. All right, we are moving on. I appreciate your support. Okay, we are focused. It's a waiting game. Just have to wait. It's like taking candy from a baby.